I mean, you have this idea of group guilt. I can kill any member or I can assault any member of such and such group because of the injustice done to my group by that group. That's savage. We were actually moving backward in terms of civilizational sophistication.
Yeah, we do seem to be devolving, even though the more connected the world becomes via the internet and social media and all this stuff, the more actual disconnected we've become from interpersonal communications. And this was one of the things that I tried to tell people. I'm focused on school boards and I'm focused on people getting involved. But one of the main focuses of my idea is engaging people back to their community. So the school is one of the easy places for people to get engaged with, because that's essentially the backbone of your community. It's the biggest tax bill that you have. It's the largest building. You know, there was a time in American society where there were Rotary, Elks, Moose, all these groups, all these community organizations where you knew your neighbors, you knew your neighbors' kids, you knew your neighbors' family, all this stuff. You'd say, hey Ron, how's it going? How's your wife and kids? Now, we don't have that. I'm more connected to someone in China than I am to the person down the street. And most of American society, I believe, is at this juncture. It becomes a lot easier to now not humanize that person. If I know your family, if I know you're a good man, we may disagree politically. We may disagree on multiple things. But if I know that you're a good man, you're a good husband and all this stuff, you're human to me. It's hard for me to throw javelins at you. But if I don't know you from anyone, I'll throw javelins at you even if you're next door to me. And that's the society that we've started to create.